Hello sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. You may know I'm doing some home renovations, and part of that is some plumbing work which involves plastic pipe, push fit pipe, PVC stuff, and I needed some cutters for it. I was in Lidl the other day and lo and behold, Parkside do some, so I bought some. So there's the pipe I'm cutting, which is 15mm plastic pipe, and here are the cutters, Parkside, and they are plastic pipe cutter with a ratchet function on there, I think, with ratcheting function for powerful cuts. Fits outside diameter from 5mm up to 42mm. These cost £5.99. So let's have a quick look, and if you want the part number, I can never find the part number. Let's have a look inside. I might find the part number in there. Ooh. There we go. So the model number is HGO 4830A version 04 2023. So what we got here then? So we've got a catch on the back there, and then let's have a look. Ooh. So I know it was a short video, fairly self-explanatory. You've got a catch to hold them shut, which goes on there. Open that up, and then to release the blade, if you can call it a blade, push that back, and then to use the ratchet, slice the pipe. Is that it? That's what it goes up to, and then to release. It's fairly lightweight, easy in the hand. You can't get a full, well, you can actually, yeah, you can get a full grip on it, fingertips, and release it. Careful not to put my finger in there. Just check this symbol out. Yeah, we don't want that to happen. Right, let's try it. Moment of truth. That's what we wanted. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it's probably best to use two hands like the instruction says. So this is 15mm pipe. And I presume, pop that in there. Very nice, effortless. We're trying to show it on the video as well at the same time. So pop in there. Get it straight. There we go. It's a little bit oval though. Don't know if I'm doing something wrong there. And will it really matter? It's only at the tip. You can see on there. Well, in fact, let's try it with an end stop. Push for end stop, flop him over, locked into place, won't come off. Yeah, I'm sure that would be fine. And to release them, of course, you just push that in first, if you didn't already know. So that's locked in, and if you push that in, you can pull it off. And obviously you can get T-fittings in these and elbows for all manner of plumbing. So, happy with them. I think they'll do well. As I say, very short video, but I thought I'd show you whilst I'm opening them. So there we go, the ratchet pipe cutters made by Parkside, £5.99, can't go wrong. So thanks for watching, take care, cheers.